I'm Bill Frymire, and I'm the artist behind the artwork at the Early Childhood Education Center at TRU. This project came to be when I was approached by TRU. They had seen the work that I had done at the downtown parkade, so they wanted to talk to me about what I could do on the TRU space. The process from planning to completion took about a full year, I think. There's a lot of sort of design ahead of time before you get to the installation stage, so it's quite time-consuming. The tiles are made from a thin sheet of aluminum, and I've got a machine here that I can cut out the design of the tile. They're powder coated afterwards and then plucked out of the sheet, and then they're actually clamped to the wire afterwards. The concept of a tree came from TRU, and I thought it was a great idea because it shows growth, the tree of learning, the tree of knowledge, all the things that reference education. So that's where it came from. I thought it was very applicable to the daycare center. The name that I settled on was Diversity, just because I really wanted to have that inclusion, acceptance, diversity represented within the artwork. And the tree, as you'll see, has various different types of leaves, all different types of leaves. We've got different colors, so different colors, different leaves, which represent diversity. Public art is important because it gives the city some vibrancy, some culture, some interest. It gets people out, and it makes a city more livable, I think. So I think it's important to have these pieces of art that just make the city more interesting and livable. The favorite part of the project is when it is all complete and I can stand back and look at it, just have that sense of accomplishment.